Hi, I am Akinshola Samson. You're welcome to this video course on animating a walk cycle like a pro. All 18 episodes on this course will be uploaded on our YouTube channel once per week. However, you can get the full video course on our website, Levonotion.com. It's time to walk. Let's animate a walk. Hi guys, welcome to another lesson. And in this lesson, we're going to start working on the upper part of the character's body. But so far, this is what we have. We've been able to get the foot walking, and this result is amazing. Okay, so now let's start working on the upper part of the body. So the first thing I want to do here is go to the character's torso, and I need to go to the X location. So Shift H to go to the graph editor for X. Now, I want to move the torso sideways as the character walks. So this is what I'm trying to say. I'd like to go to frame 7, the passing position, and I like to push this a bit to the right hand side of the character, okay, so that the weight sits better on the planted foot. That's the idea. So A, and frame all that to have this. So the character goes to that side. Yeah, I like it that way. Okay. And I'm also going to do the same thing on frame 19. So frame 19 should have the opposite value of frame 7. And on frame 7, we have -3 point. I'm just going to copy this. Ctrl C to copy and go to 19. Ctrl V to paste. But this time around, this is going to be positive. And you have that. So frame everything once again and see what we have. Okay, so for the middle, I need these to be 0. So back to the default there and delete that. Yeah. So we're going to delete this as well. 25 should have the same keyframe as 1. So I'm going to delete 22. And now you have this smooth curve. Okay. So you can see the side-to-side movements. I think I like that. And if side, see, side, see, side, okay. So if you decide to increase this drift, you can easily do so by just A to select all the keyframes, S to go into scale mode, and Y to constrain to the Y axis. And now you can make it bigger, like that. Okay, but this is too extreme, so I'm just going to go to something more moderate. Yeah, I like this. So this feels natural. Okay, so this is what I'm going to call it a wrap for this video. In the next video, we'll work on more edits for the upper body of the character. So guys, see you in the next video.